Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to solve another interesting and beginner-friendly lead code problem palindrome number. This is the lead code problem number 9. So in this video, we'll understand what the problem is asking, different ways to think about the problem, why reversing the number works, edge cases, complete dry run, and finally implement the optimized solution in CPP language step by step. So this problem is very useful for understanding number manipulation, modulo operator, reverse logic, and interview problem solving techniques. So let's get started. So first, let's understand the problem statement carefully. Here we are given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So here we are given an integer x. We need to return true if the number is palindrome, otherwise return false. Now, what is a palindrome? A palindrome means the number reads the same from left to right and from right to left. Let's take some example. Like if our number is 1 to 1, so if read from left to right is 1 to 1, 1 to 1, and read from right to left is 1 to 1. Both are same. Then this is a palindrome number. So here the number 1 to 1, if read from left to right, is 1 to 1, and if read from right to left, 1 to 1. Both are same. Then this number is known as a palindrome number. But if all the in the second example, as we can see that it is a negative number, it is returning false because from left to right it reads -1 to 1, and from right to left it becomes 1 to 1 minus. Therefore, it is not a palindrome number. From this, we can understand that all negative numbers can never be a palindrome number. So, in the previous question also, we have used the reversing a number question. We'll use the same logic only, like modulo mo, modulo operator. So let's like jump to the code only, and then we will dry run and understand the code efficiently. So at first, we'll simply check if the number is negative or not. So if x is greater than 0, we'll simply return 0. While x is greater than 0, int remainder equals to x modulo 10, and reverse num equals to reverse num square 10 plus remainder. So here we need to create a long reverse num. Here we have used long because in some cases the number will be so huge that it will get overflow in the int data type. So here we will use long data type, reverse num and default value 0, and we will save the original value of x in a variable so we can check it at final. So and here we will x equals to x, and here if we will simply check if return mm, reverse num equals to original. Let's check if it is correct or not. Okay, let's see guys. I have forgot to mention the data type, so it is throwing an error. So now let's check. Okay, long, what is the error? Mm, See guys, we have used spelling mistake error here. Yes. Yes, as you can see, guys, it is accepted for all the four cases. Now check if it is accepted for all the possible test cases. As you can see, guys, it has been accepted. So now we will just simply explain the code step by step. So first, we have used this condition if x is greater than 0. So negative numbers can never be palindrome. As I have explained it here only, that all negative numbers can never be a palindrome number, as you can see here also. So we will simply use if x is less than 0, we will simply return 0. So now, so we return false here, return 0 or return false. It is one and the same thing. So then we have used a while loop to check whether to run this loop till the integer x becomes 0. Then we have created a uh, remainder integer to save the modulo value, and then reverse num variable to numbers, because reverse num value to uh, save the uh, reversed number. So as you can see, like remainder is getting saved in the reverse num after adding, and this is to use to uh, operate the while loop. So here we have used long because while reversing the number may exceed integer range. So using we can prevent overflow. So you can also see, like if I use here int, it will throw an error. As you can see guys, it is throwing a runtime error, signed integer overflow. So for this problem, we need to use here long. Mm, okay. So, so now let's analyze the complexity. Here we process every digit once. So time complexity becomes order of log 10 and space complexity becomes order of 1, since only a few variables are used here. So that was the complete explanation of LeetCode 9 palindrome number in C++ language. Here we covered problem understanding, reverse logic, edge cases, mainly the edge cases, code explanation and complexity analysis. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which lead code problem you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.